Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, before we enter the main what we have, my name is Aboyi Jesus 01. You already know. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Um, don't forget to turn on the notification button since you found this video meaningful. Let's quickly dive into our chat since I've been promised that I'll be dropping video on the analysis remaining days analysis Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll be dropping the remaining, I'll be doing videos so that we just see what market did for what market give us on Monday, Tuesday. So we just react to it from the for the remaining days. Let's quickly enter this it. We have high impact news. There is high impact news around 12:15. You can see there's high impact news around 12:15, and there is another high impact news around 4 o'clock. So let's see what Thursday, which is tomorrow. This is we do not have high impact news on USC, but we have on GBP. Let's see on Friday. This is Friday. We have on Friday, but we have tentative MPF. Since they did not have MPF in last month, so they did not give us the what they are looking the forecast for. So let's quickly dive into the chart and see what we have on the market. Yes, welcome. Let's start from gold. Gold, we just need to see what is happening on 1 hour. Yeah, on 1 hour. And if you can see the general overview, we are having uptrend. This is uptrend, and if we see from 1 hour, this is 1 hour. This is you can see this is break of structure here, and this is change of character. Market mitigated this change of character, give us it give us another internal break of structure, and market what came down all the way. See internal break of structure came down. As market came down, but this is the eye. This is the eye that gave us this big obstruction with this, and it has not been made. It has not go out. But and what I'm looking for uptrend. Seriously, since market has mitigated this FEG here, it has mitigated the FEG here. And let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what we have. Since it's remaining days. That's why I started from 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's see for 15 minutes and see the market overview. This internal break of structure for 15 minutes. This is where I took this good yesterday, but unfortunately, market stopped the trade for me because and my mind is telling me this is liquidity because this is where this is demand zone that I'm expecting. I was supposed to put the demand zone here, but I put the demand zone because the this is the one that give us the break of structure. But my mind is telling me this is liquidity, but I just said I could do. I want to place. I want to take I took the trade, but the stop loss is too much for me because I'm doing funded next profile. I register. There is competition every month, so the competition is said 5,000. The minimum I must lose on is 5,000 a day. So as I see this setup making 60,000. And if I validate the rule, they are going to remove him from the competition. That's why I did not took. That's why I just set the stop trade here, and it took me out. That was it. But if you can see what we have, this place has served as the resistance for us. If you can see, market has mitigated here, market has mitigated here. So I'm expecting market to come back here because this resistance is going to weak. If you reach from internal break of structure, you can see this is break of structure, this is break of structure here, this is break of structure here, and give us this overall break of structure, which means this place as weak, this resistance as weak, market is going to what? It's going to break it. And I'm expecting market here. If you can see, this is change of character. After giving us break of structure here, this, this is another break of structure here, this is another break of structure here, this is another break of structure here. And if you can see this break of structure, market is coming down to mitigate this demand and what give us the bullish. Let's see same to on sliver. Same to on sliver. This is the change of character, without change of character. And this is the demand zone. Market has already mitigated the demand zone. And if you move to 15 minutes, you can read the market very well. If you move to 15 minutes, you can see this is break of, this is what? This is inter break of structure. And this is what? Another internal break of structure, which was give us change of character. Market came to the demand. This trade, I took this trade yesterday and it not hit my stop loss. Yes, it not hit my stop loss because it's okay from the stop loss, but this is where I'm expecting the market to come. And if you can see, this is trend line demand. This is trend line liquidity. Sorry, this is trend line liquidity for me. Which means there is FEG. Market is coming down here. After market is coming down here, what is going to what? Is going to give us the bullish. Yes, this is surprising because there is this resistance it has weak and it's coming here. It's coming here because the daily is telling me what? It's telling me bullish because this resistance, this support has already been swept, which has served as liquidity. You can see 1, 2, 3, and market has swept it, which market has given me liquidity swept. That's why I'm hesitant for the buy. That the market is valid for me. Seriously, the market is valid for me. All you just we have to know is just to set our trap here. The market is coming what? Is coming to this supply zone. This is where I'm expecting market to what? So if you move to, you can see, if you want to take this trade, this is what break of structure. This is break of structure for me, and market is going to mitigate and coming down. But this is the high. The stop loss will be much. If you go to 5 minutes, the stop loss will be much for me. The stop loss will be not much because you can see we are having, yeah, see market has mitigated it, and if you this is break of structure for me, and I can expect the market here. Market will shape the liquidity and continue it now. But as for now, this is what I have on silver also. Let's move to BTC. BTC, the overall BTC is market has came back to mitigate this place, which market swept this liquidity. As for me, this is liquidity which market has swept it. The market has mitigated this demand zone. This demand zone, market has mitigated it. And if let's move to 4 hours, the 4 hours is not clear. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. As for me, the 1 hour, since market has mitigated this is supply. This is supply, so I'm expecting market to give me change of character. But I move to 13 minutes. 13 minutes is, let's move to 15 minutes. Same thing, I did not see 13 minutes giving me liquidity here. Which market is going to sweep this liquidity before continuing the uptrend? Let's see what is happening on 15 minutes. And if you see 15 minutes, this is what? This is break of structure. And market has what? Has give us change of character here. Market has give us change of character here. And market came back here. You can see what market is doing. You can see what market is doing, but I'm expecting market to sweep this liquidity before dishing also. But unfortunately, if market give us change of character, from here, definitely this place will serve as liquidity. And market this place will serve as liquidity. So market is going to sweep it and continue the uptrend. Let's check Ethereum. This is Ethereum for me. The Ethereum for me from 1 hour also. Let's say from daily time frame, market has mitigated the FEG here. There's FEG here which market has mitigated, and this place serve as supply zone for me for daily time frame. And if you read it, we are having what? Change of character here. Change of character here because this is internal break of structure and this is overall break of structure here. This is the overall break of structure. This is the low. This is the swing low that gave us this high. This is the swing low that's given. All those one are minor low, but this is the valid swing low that gave us this one, which means market is coming down here before continuing the uptrend. Same two on BTC. Sorry for that. Same two on BTC because this is change of character. This is change of character. This is break of structure. But definitely market may come back here. If market this demand zone does not hold it, market is coming down here because this is the what? This is the swing, this is the swing low that gave us this swing high, and this is the swing low that gave us this swing high also. So this is what. Let's go back to interior. One 1 hour on interior. If you check for 4 hours, we are having break of structure, internal break of structure here, and this is the overall break of structure from the daily time frame. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour is aligned with it, and if you see 1 hour here, we are having what? We are having internal break of structure here. This will serve as liquidity for me. The mistake I did on the mistake I made yesterday won't happen. This is what mistake I made on gold yesterday. It won't happen. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what is happening in 15 minutes. And if 15 minutes, we have change of character here. 15 minutes, we have change of character here. For 5 minutes, I will say this place will serve as liquidity swept for me. On 15 minutes, you will see we have change of character, we have break of structure here, and we have change of character. We have change of character here. We have change of character here. After the change of character, we have break of structure here. After the break of structure, you see this place is far for me to take the buy, and this is the demand zone. I don't know why the market is going up back, but as for me, I will say this is break of structure now. And if you can see, this is valid break of structure, which has turned to what change of character. But I'm expecting, let's see what market maybe since it's 15 minutes and we go to 1 minute to go and see the confirmation. If you see change of character on 1 minute, definitely the market is coming down. So let's move to US30. This is US30. Let's see what US30 is doing on 1 hour. You see US30, this is the supply. US30, this is change of, this is, let's start from 4 hours. You can see this is supply zone. Market is coming down. Well, I think market did what is up? Yeah. But from daily time frame, this is our extremely demand because market has swept this liquidity. If you check 4 hours, this is our extremely demand. Market has swept the liquidity, but this is change of character. This from demand from daily time frame. This is manual. You can say swing low because it's the one that gave us box. You cannot say it's valid because it does not break this structure with valid. This is the what break it, but we can see this is minor. Market is going to sway, come down. Let's move to the 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is what is happening on 1 hour. This is the supply zone for 4 hours. This is the supply zone for 4 hours. Sorry for that. Let's see 30 minutes. 30 minutes, this is the supply zone. And this is another supply zone for 30 minutes. But what market did, this is the break of structure, internal break of structure, and what market the change of character. Market mitigates this change of character, other block, give us another what break of structure. I'm expecting market to come down here to sweep this liquidity because 5 minutes is telling me there is space. This way 5 minutes is telling me, but I think market has dish out what he want to dish because this is break of structure. Market mitigated this supply zone because this is break of structure. Market mitigated this supply zone here. After market mitigated it, give us market give us another break of structure here. Market has mitigated it, but we do not know what market is doing because I'm seeing break of structure here. I'm seeing change of character here. I'm seeing sell here. I'm seeing sell here. If you can see the sell, I'm seeing sell here because this is the other block that gave us this will serve as flip zone. I'm seeing market is coming back because I use this as liquidity for me. I want market to come and mitigate this phase. before dishing up uptrend, because this our supply zone market is coming. This our supply zone market is coming, or this. That is what I have on US30. Let's see forex for 1 hour time frame. From daily time frame, let's check from daily time frame. You can see, but market has not mitigated this demand zone. Market has give us candle, but it has not closed it has not closed the gap very well. Come to this demand zone. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is break of structure, but this what this is the high that gave me this break of structure. These ones I call it internal because there's FEGA which market is going to sweep. I call it internal. They call it internal because this is the break of structure. This is the low that's giving this break of structure. I call it liquidity. You can see trend line liquidity. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what's happening 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. We have internal break of structure. This is the supply zone. We are expecting market. Let's see what market is going to dish and continue the downtrend. And continue the downtrend. Let's see. And continue the downtrend. Market is going to show this liquidity, continue the downtrend. Let's see what is happening on 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you can see 15 minutes. 15 minutes is giving us break of structure here. You can see this is break of structure. Market mitigated this. This break of structure. Market mitigated give us the up here. And this is another break of structure which markets. This is the demand zone which market has mitigated it. Let's see what market is going to sweep this place. This place has served as liquidity for market. We're going to sweep it. After market sweeping and mitigated this and continue downtrend. Let's see what demand zone. We just for 15, you just need to. If you want to take this trade, we can take this trade because this is what this is break of structure. This is what change of character, and this is what the break of structure. This is you can see this is another break of structure. Internal break of structure. Internal break of structure. Market has swept this pullback, but you can see this is the place we can expect market to come to give us the buy to give us the buy. But this is the main zone I'm expecting market to. This is the main zone I'm expecting market. Let's expect markets here. So if market can give us this shout, you can see from 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's just that's 1 hour zone is this supply is okay for us. Let's see US30 USDJPY. For me, market has swept this liquidity for me. If you move to 30 minutes, market has swept this liquidity for me. After market swept this liquidity, this break of structure, market will give us change of character here. After market give us change of character, market give us what? Give us another internal break of structure here. After market give us internal break of structure, I'm expecting market for this the supply zone. This supply zone because this 4 hour supply zone that gave us this. So I'm expecting market here. I'm expecting market there. This break of structure. That is where I'm expecting the market. This supply zone is going to give us the dish. It's going to dish us the sell because this place are what are liquidity and liquidity. Euro USD. Let's see what's happened for 1 hour. This is supply zone for us. If you see from daily time frame, market is still coming. It's still coming here. It has not mitigated this FVG zone because this liquidity does not mitigate this demand zone. This demand zone, but market is coming to that demand zone. Let's see for 4 hours. If you can see 4 hours, we can see break of structure for 4 hours. Break of structure here. Market mitigated this. Give us another break of structure. Market mitigated it. Let's move to 1 hour and see the break of structure very well. The You see break of structure here. Market mitigated it, come back, give us another break of structure. After market mitigated, give us another break of structure here. And for me, market has swept this liquidity for me. Market has swept this place liquidity for me. If you move to 15 minutes, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you can see the clear message of this is the clear message I'm seeing. I'm seeing. Since market has swept this liquidity, market gave me this is internal break of structure. You can see change of character here, break of structure here. Market swept this liquidity here. After market swept this liquidity, gave me internal break of structure because this is internal break of structure here. It gave me internal break of structure, and this is the supply zone I'm expecting the market to discuss because for 15 minutes, this is the supply zone. This is the supply zone. For 5 minutes, this is the you can see this is change of this is change of character here. Market swept this liquidity, feed this FEG. Market filled this after market filled this FEG, give us this is break of structure, and this serve as what change of character as for me. Internal change of character. After market give us internal change of character, market has to mitigate those value. I'm expecting market to dish us down. I'm expecting market to come down here, to come down there. Let's see what is happening. Let's see GBPUSD. You can see this for 30 minutes. This is the supply zone for 30 minutes. Let's move to 5 minutes. This is the 5 minutes. This is the break of structure, change of character. I'm expecting market to come down here. After market mitigated here, it's supposed to give us the sell because there's liquidity here which market is going to sweat. There's liquidity here which market is going to sweat. So I'm still expecting downtrend. I'm still expecting the downtrend. I'm expecting the downtrend. Both Euro USD and what and GBPUSD. I'm still expecting the downtrend. Because this is what liquidity swept. Liquidity swept for me. As for me, liquidity swept because this first candle that we can do and what, and the second one quickly inside the body or the first one that not exceeded the week. So this serves liquidity swept for me. So let's see what is going to happen. I've placed this trade safe. I'm expecting for the market to give me to dish out the profits for me because for daily time frame too, you can see this is the monsoon. The market is coming. The monsoon. I'm expecting market here. The monsoon market is coming. I'm expecting the market there. Let's see what's going to happen. Only just $1. $1. I'm willing to lose, but I'm expecting the market to come down. Seriously, because this place has liquidity swept. This place has liquidity swept. I'm expecting the market to come down. Okay, that's what I have for this week. We are having sell, we are having buy. Let's see, let's recheck the good. I'm still having buy on good. On silver also, I'm still having buy on silver. But I'm still having buy from BTC USD. But if market mitigated this supply, we are having sell. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm still having buy here from here. But if market mitigated supply, the market bias has changed. Let's see US 30. US 30. I'm still probably having that I'm buying from here. I'm buying from here. So let's see what is happening. That's what I have on those pairs. That's what I have on those pairs. I have a lovely remaining days ahead. And on Friday, we are not going to on Friday. Don't bother to just leave. Don't bother to trade on do the news on Friday. Seriously, let just the markets play out. After playing out, just set your continue react to the remaining one and take your profits. Thank you. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and don't forget to turn on the notification button since you found this video meaningful and useful. Thanks, peace and love. One love. Have a profitable week. Profitable weeks remaining weeks ahead. Let's see. Remaining weeks ahead. Thanks.